This is the special case of example. Given y of n is equal to 2 into x of n plus 3 into u of n plus 2 is causal or not. We need to find whether this system is causal system or not. Why we are calling this as a special case, we will see later. First we will see the what is causal system, what is non-causal system. We know that the definitions for the causal system is the present output is a function of present input or past input or both. The present output is depends on present input or past input or combination of both present input and past input, then it is called causal system. Non-causal system. Non-causal system is present output is a function of future input plus present input, future input plus present input, or future input plus past input, or only future input. Then that system is called non-causal system. Means the present output must be depends on the future input. Then that system is called non-causal system. Now in the given our example, we will see by substituting some values for the n values. First we will see y of 0 means at n is equal to 0. At n is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to 2 into x of 0 plus 3 into u of 0 plus 2 means it is equal to 2 into x of 0 plus 3 into u of 2. We will see this means present output at n is equal to 0. Present output at n is equal to 0. Present input at n is equal to 0. This is present output. This is present input because at n is equal to 0 only. Here is the main confusion. That's why we will call it is a special case. Means by seeing this at n is equal to, we conclude this as a future input. We will conclude this as a future input because we are checking at n is equal to 0 input, but we are getting input at n is equal to 2. At n is equal to 2. So we will conclude this as a future input. But by seeing carefully, this is wrong because u of 2, this is unit step function. U of 2 is a unit step function. This is not input. Unit step function this is. We need to concentrate only on the x of values, whether x of 0 or x of whatever it may be. We need to concentrate only on x of 0. This u of n is not an input. This u of 2 is not an input. This is a constant because u of 2 is equal to 1 because u of t is equal to 1 for n t greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Means u of 2 is equal to 1, u of 1 is equal to 1, u of 1 is equal to 1, u of 5 is equal to 1. Similarly, u of 2 is equal to 1. So this u of 2 is not an input. This is an constant. U of 2 is equal to 2. So we can rewrite this as y of 0 is equal to 2 into x of 0 plus 3 into u of 2. U of 2 is equal to 2. Sorry, u of 2 is equal to 1. That is equal to y of 0 is equal to 2 into x of 0 plus 3. This is constant. That is constant. So now By seeing this, we can conclude that present output at n is equal to 0, input at n is equal to 0 means this is also present input at n is equal to 0, at n is equal to 0 only. This is constant. So this is constant. By seeing this, we can conclude this as causal system. This is a causal system. We can conclude this as a causal system by substituting any value of n. By substituting any value of n, we will get the present in this question. By substituting any value of the n, we will get the present output is equal to present input only. This is constant. We doesn't care about this while finding the causal or non-causal. So the total system is causal system. This is only we need to care. This part only we need to care, because just by seeing we will conclude this as a future input. So blindly we will put the answer as non-causal system. So be careful of this one. That's why this question is called special system. This question is known as special question or special case. So the system is causal system. The system is causal system.